Alright, we're on a mission. Gotta go get fresh bay leaf from Heinen's. Only the best from Heinen's.
This is a handy little thing to have, and that's it. And let it start boiling, and I'll grate it. Yeah. Did you know I was left-handed? Kinda, huh?
I think so. Oh, okay, you can write them with both hands, right?
But you know what? I'm not left-handed with everything, Mikey. I just cannot use a knife. I cannot peel potatoes or anything like that, you know, with the right hand. But I can eat with both, it doesn't matter. And same thing, right too. I'm gonna do a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's better on this one. Oh yeah, that's better on this one. Yeah, it's a lot better. I don't know why I started. Nice like that, see? When it cooks, it's almost like it's gonna be invisible. But it gets flavor and put the cabbage in there.
How much cabbage do you think that is?
Not all of it, it's too
About
much.
half
for
of
that.
it? So a quarter of a cabbage?
Yeah, that's enough cabbage for that. The rest of the cabbage will go. Put more cabbage. I have to put more cabbage in here. Got a great cabbage.
More?
Not enough cabbage for that. Cannot.
So that was probably
I got a.
about a half a 5/8
Oh, like
of a,
yeah.
5/8 of a
All
cabbage.
total would be half of it, yeah, because that's.
Okay.
But that was already.
So a bigger batch, about half a cab,
Yeah.
half of a. I don't know. It's this consistency. How many bay leaf? Just one?
Yeah.
And then, okay, one in each?
The other one is in there too.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. And that's just a low simmer now?
This is for the pancakes. Now check the meat.
Okay.
When the meat is done, I take the meat out and cut it. Not quite yet. No, it's not. It's not quite done.
And what are you looking for? Just to
if it's done, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's not quite. Not yet.
So no red in the pork.
Yeah. When the meat is done, you take it out and I take it out and I shred it. You know what I mean.
Okay, and then you put it back in there.
And then add the grated beets.
Add the grated beets on.
And and grate the grated beets, and just let it simmer. Make sure that it just, you know, simmer through for a few minutes. And that's it, and it's done.
And you grated on the bigger one?
Huh?
On the bigger one that you showed me?
Yeah.
Okay.
See how they come out nice like that? Yeah.
Yeah.